Welcome to the Unko Museum, a one-of-a-kind experience that's all centered around one unexpected theme: poop. You'll be amazed at how something as common as poo can be transformed into a world of art and fun. Starting off, head over to the toilet to do your business. You'll be surprised what you'll find. And who can resist their catchy theme song? This museum is more than just looking, it's about hands-on exploration. There are interactive exhibits that will engage your senses and spark your imagination. You'll be mesmerized by the colorful and whimsical art installations, each showcasing the many possibilities of this quirky theme. It's a celebration of creativity that leaves you smiling from ear to ear. The Unko Museum is the ultimate Instagram-worthy destination. Every corner is a photo opportunity. They also have a lot of interactive games to play. Don't forget to leave your mark on this place. Before you leave, take a poo bag and check out the gift shop. It's packed with unique souvenirs and keepsakes to remind you of your unforgettable visit to the Unko Museum. We promise you won't be flushed with disappointment.